In this question, you need to be able to find the domain and the range of this parabola. Notice that it's called an unbounded domain and range. And all that means is that one of our domains, or the range, or both, could potentially go to positive or negative infinity. Let's start with our domain. We can see from this graph that the graph continues to climb up and to the left. And in fact, if I put in any negative x value, I'll be able to find a y value for this function. The same occurs on the other side. Any possible x value will give me a y value that occurs on the graph of this parabola. Therefore, any possible x value will work. So my x values can be the set of all reals. To put this into our equation down below, what this means is that it can go from negative infinity all the way to positive infinity. So I'm going to put in negative infinity. Now notice that switches our inequality sign. You can never equal negative infinity. So x just simply is bigger than negative infinity. And we're going to put in positive infinity as our upper domain. And again, notice that it switches our inequality sign. So x is greater than negative infinity, but less than positive infinity. Perfect. Now we need to go to the range. So notice that this does in fact have a lowest possible point that it reaches. And that's at the vertex right there at the origin, 0, 0. So our lowest possible range is that y must be greater than or equal to that 0 value. But this parabola continues going up all the way to positive infinity. So y must be less than positive infinity. And again, notice that our inequality sign switches here. It is just simply less than positive infinity. We can never equal infinity.